Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's the last video on this specific course. The course I was taking is preparing for the Terraform Associate exam, the HashiCorp Terraform Associate exam. So this is the end of it, and it's kind of, I guess, yeah, as you can see, it covers similar things as what we've already learned, maybe just in a bit more detail, such as modules. So I guess it's more like a recap to finish off. So modules, what are modules? If you remember, it's sort of like reusable packages made out of Terraform code, which allows you to organize, reuse, and share your infrastructure's logic more effectively. So you already use a module every time you write Terraform code, which is called the root module, right? But you can also create your own modules or use public modules from the Terraform registry. And there's also child modules, which are a module called by another module, mainly the root module. And why they're important? Because their reusability, and you don't need to repeat yourself, saves time, and makes the infrastructure more modular and scalable, as well as allowing your team to standardize deployments. So here's an example of how you use one. You'll use the module block with like the source and the name you want, the version. And Terraform downloads this module during the init stage, and it's treated just like regular resources. You can even nest modules inside other modules, but you have to be careful. Deep nesting can make your code harder to maintain. And next, there's a bit more new, Terraform Cloud. So what this is like it's hosted platforms by HashiCorp to help teams collaborate and manage infrastructure at scale. So some key features include remote execution of Terraform plan and apply, securely stores state files in the cloud, supports version control, integrations like GitHub, collaboration access control, so for team management, and policy enforcement with Sentinel, and pretty much runs infrastructure. Pretty much just makes it a lot easier for you, especially in a team. So why would you want to learn this, right? In real world companies, Terraform Cloud and enterprises provides the guardrails to safely use Terraform in teams. So you don't want people overriding each other's state files or making unintended changes, right? So Terraform Cloud offers a free tier, so you can try it yourself with GitHub integration. And as you can see, you can trigger remote Terraform runs using CLI with especially Terraform login, and then you can run the other one. And yeah, so everything in the past 3 or 4 days is gonna be in the exam, and I think I'll be taking it after. I'll definitely be recapping. I'm going over things again in the next few days to prepare. The exam is multi-choice mainly. I think there's a few fill-in-the-blank questions, but mainly multi-choice, and it's about an hour. Online test costs about like 70 USD if I remember correctly. But yeah, this is just the basics. The most important thing is to actually practice mock exams and such, which I'll be doing. And also I haven't done many hands-on labs like in the video. I'll try to do that tomorrow. Do more of that tomorrow, because I kind of want to go over everything once again, just to make sure that there's no gaps in my knowledge, and I want to do some more mock exams, just to see if there's anything missing that I haven't learned yet. But yeah, thanks for watching, see you guys tomorrow.